HexArmor's commitment to complete wearability in safety eyewear starts with our lens design and manufacturing practices. The result is HexArmor's LTX lens technology, featured in every single pair of HexArmor safety eyewear. LTX technology delivers edge-to-edge clarity and consistency, a result of 90-plus years of German manufacturing and optical expertise, 90 years working towards visual perfection. Our LTX manufacturing process includes developing panoramic lenses that are perfectly spherical, maintaining their curvature on the same mathematical degree at every point across the lens. We work routinely to inspect our lens molds and lenses for any imperfections throughout the entire manufacturing process. This gives you the highest optical class 1 vision in every viewing direction. HexArmor's LTX lenses, flawlessly clear, giving wearers as close to natural vision as possible for unmatched wearability. Safety eyewear that's the perfect balance of comfort, fit, performance, and style. Compare this with some competitive safety eyewear and note imperfections across the field of vision. Even the slightest inconsistency on the periphery will lead to eye fatigue, making your eyes work harder to correct these imperfections, in the form of hundreds or thousands of micro movements eyes have to make to continue to see clearly. Compound these movements over the course of a workday, and the hidden danger of eye fatigue may start to show as compromised vision, chronic ailments, headaches, and potential injury. Perfectly manufactured optics means no more headaches, eye fatigue, or strain. It leads to increased productivity, morale, and ultimately, compliance. Everything that's needed to keep safety eyewear where it should be, in front of your eyes. Surpassing safety eyewear standards in design, manufacturing, and quality assurance. LTX lens technology by HexArmor. Edge-to-edge optical clarity. Unmatched wearability.